Hi everybody, long time, huh? It is almost the end of May. Unbelievable. What happened to the summer? We just started getting some summer weather. I was able to get outside, floated in the hot tub this weekend, which was really, really nice. Finally. I hope you're having a good weather as well. Today it is extremely hot and humid, which of course I love, but I know a lot of people don't. So anyway, I hope you are all still doing really, really well. You're staying healthy. You're following the rules. Work today at the hospital and things are starting to get back to normal, I guess, which isn't saying much, but it's still pretty quiet there, but it's better. There's actually people walking around now. Anyway, I'm here because I got Stitch Fix today and Transcend today. I got them both today, right after Memorial Day. What'd you guys do for Memorial Day? I didn't do anything. Just, I got a new deck built and I was kind of tricking it out, which is exciting for me because I got to spend the day outside. But let's start unboxing our Stitch Fix. Again, I think what I said to my stylist was, please no blue jeans, which is probably what I said to my Transcend stylist, which is probably what I said to my Wannable stylist, who knows. So let's go. Here's our Stitch Fix box. And yes, I did the dreaded COVID bang chop, which I'm still getting used to, and I can't cut them real short because when my hair is curly, they're going to shrink up, but they're kind of driving me bananas right now. Okay, this is a tiny box. Everything's kind of stuck together here. I ain't even going to blame Stitch Fix because the post office has been a total mess. Here's the problem. The problem was this label that goes on my send back bag was just kind of haphazardly stuck on my bag. So I'm going to blame Stitch Fix. I'm taking that back. My gosh, what a mess. Here, I'll show you. I can't even, you know, we're doing a lot of redeployed employees at the hospital, meaning some employees have had to stay home, so other people have had to step in for them. And the processes have certainly changed. And it just got really dark in here because, I don't know why, I think the sun went in. All right, I'm not going to screw around with that later. Okay, here's my little itty bitty package. Boy, this is light compared to that Transcend box. Wow, let's see what's in here. Oh, I got to get my stuff here. Oh, I forgot to say that I asked her for no blue jeans and maybe some pretty summer tops. So here is my invoices, our invoice. That's pretty cheap for Stitch Fix, mind you, I said that. And then here is my style card and my note from my stylist, which I will read after we get everything opened up first. Okay, first up, looks like I got one pretty summer top. What a surprise, Daniel Rain. I was going to say that before I looked, like I bet this is a Daniel Rain, but if I had said that, I would have been wrong. So this is really pretty. Again, Daniel Rain, you know, really polyester-y. So kind of thin, kind of see-through. Got to wear a cami or same color bra underneath. But this is really pretty. I do like the color. I do like the print and the pattern and the style. It looks like it's a pullover, little v-neck, sleeveless, or very small little short sleeve. So this is really pretty. I do like that. Next up looks like another pretty top. Not so much into this one, and can you guess why? Starts with a Y and it ends with a W. Yellow. I hate yellow. But, you know, it's cute. It's small bits of yellow. That's okay. Another little v-neck, little summer top by 41 Hawthorne. I think this is the Stitch Fix brand. So that's cute. Next up, I see why this is so small because there's a lot of these little light tops. Next up, real pretty. You know, it looks navy. These are getting on my eyeballs, but it's almost a purpley navy. and it's like a jersey in the back and then sort of polyestery in the front. Again, pretty thin. It's almost purple. That's pretty. It really is a pretty color. I'm gonna have to look, I think, if it's navy. If it ends up being navy, I know, how can I not tell, because it's just my lighting in here, but it is, looks blue here, but it is a purpley. And there's the jersey back. Okay, super cute. Next up, another top. Love stripes, love this cute little top. I really do. Very simple, very stripy, very springy, summer-y. Another thin little top. By who this time? By, oh, I forgot to tell you what that one was for, or did I? I don't know. Cosmic Blue Love. Never heard of them. Another one of those crazy Stitch Fix finds. You know what's funny? One time I was trying to find a shirt that a sweater I had gotten from Stitch Fix on Poshmark, and although the name of the shirt was, the sweater was the same, the manufacturer was different. In one thing it was called, like, let's say it was called oh my gosh, pick a Simpsons creator. Let's say person. Let's say it was called Apu. Well, it was 41 Hawthorne Apu sweater, and then it would say something like Skies Are Blue Apu sweater, and they were both pictures of the Stitch Fix card. So that makes you kind of wonder. Anyway, that's cute. Last but not least, a super cute pair of navy blue shorts by Dear John. Not sure I'm super comfortable wearing shorts these short, but these are really cute. I think this is kind of an expensive brand, if I remember, but it looks like everything that's in here would go with these little shorts. These shorts, this top, definitely. This top, okay, now you can see the difference in color. Maybe a little too close. This top, definitely. And of course this, you know, navy is a neutral, so everything goes with it. So that, my friends, is what is in my Stitch Fix box. Let's read my note, hopefully from Deanna, because she's my favorite stylist right now. She's like 5 of 5, more than, almost the same as Mitch, but maybe even a little bit more than Mitch. Okay, if you don't remember Mitch, I'm sorry. He was the best stylist. He was my first stylist. He was just amazing, and I miss him. Okay, here we go. Welcome back to Fix number 50. Desiree. I'm so happy to be back styling this fix for you and was able to find some cute summery tops for you to try. I thought the Paper Moon sleeveless blouse would be perfect for work or weekend. I believe that's a solid little short sleeve. For a casual look, pair it with these amazing Dear John shorts and sandals, or for work with pants and a blazer or cardigan. Either way, I thought you'd love the fit and style. I also pulled this fun Cosmic Blue Love button-down top that is lightweight and easy to throw on by itself or over a tank or tee as a layering piece. Great idea. The 41 Hawthorne top has a great print, and it is also reversible, so you would get a lot of use out of it. That's the yellowy one. Try it on the printed side with the shorts and sandals for an easy look for summer. Have fun trying everything on. Can't wait to hear what you think. Stay safe and healthy, Deanna. Yay, Deanna. Okay, here's my style card. And our bill. Everything, without any discounts, comes down to $278. And wow. So the shorts are not the most expensive. They're actually 2 tops that are $64 each. Okay, $278. Buy all 5 gives me a discount of $69.50, which brings it down to $208 minus my styling fee, which is $20, which brings it down to $188.50. Okay, guys, so there's that. I will get to Transcend unboxing next. I just don't want to mix them up too much. Okay, see you in a few. Okay, y'all, a little bit dark. I'm just gonna keep the shorts on and just change the tops, because I'm guessing that's all we need to do. Not really liking my legs these days, but here are the little shorts. These are by Dear John. They're called the Finnegan roll cuff short in a size 2, colored navy. And then the little Daniel Rain, again, it's dark out. Sun might start shining again, I don't know. Daniel Rain Bernal split neck blouse in extra small. Here they are together. The shorts are really cute. They fit really, did you see that fat? You should see all the rolls of fat. Okay. We're just gonna not let you see them. Really cute little slash pocket shorts. Not sure I need them. I'm pretty sure I have a pair of navy shorts from Old Navy, but these are really cute. This top is also very cute. The problem is this top is $64. Yeah, and it feels a little snug here. You know, it's so weird with tops. Sometimes I'm extra small, sometimes I'm a small. So this is really cute. Here's the pattern. Like I said, it just got dark out. All right, so this is cute. Let's go to the next one. Okay, next little top, and I'm gonna have to say, look how thin it is. You can see I am wearing a very dark colored bra, which you can see right through. So this would have to be a layering piece, I would think. Again, it's not snug, but it seems to gap a little bit. Not super in love with it like I thought I would be. Yeah, you know, I think it's the fabric. It's the fabric with this kind of top that I'm just not digging. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I wish I had loved it more, but honestly, guys, I just don't. Which one is this? This is a Cosmic Blue Love Ava button-down top in extra small. Another $58. Yeah, not so much. A little better tucked in, but no, it doesn't really do anything for me. Okay, and here is the top that I didn't know I was gonna like or not, and well, you know, I kind of do. I like how it fits, although it does feel a little bit snug, but I think that's what makes it fit the way I like it fit. Here is the color and the pattern. You tell me if it looks too small, because I can't really super tell. When I do that, I can feel it a little snug right here. So I'm wondering if I would maybe want to go up a size bigger. If I liked it, and it is reversible, it does reverse to a solid navy blue. Yeah, but it is really a cute top. I'm super surprised that I like it as much as I do, but I do. I think it's cute, I think it's pretty, and I do like the style. I'm just concerned it might be a little too small. Okay, one more to go. Okay, sorry, I forgot to tell you that last top was by 41 Hawthorne, the Sonia reversible blouse. That was also an extra small. And here is the Paper Moon mixed material blouse in dark purple. Fits me perfectly, does not feel too small, also an extra small. See, I can't win. Is it an extra small? Am I a small? I do not know. Okay, wish you could see the color a little bit better, but it is a dark, now I can see it looks super purple. Okay, here is the little top. Here's the back. Stretchy, t-shirty. Well, this is more of a polyester or polyester blend. So I think that's like super cute. All right, I'll be right back. Excuse me, excuse me. So clearly I did not go outside because the sun went in just as I was heading out, and I said, I'll just do a quick try on, but now it looks like it's coming back out. So anyway, that's it for my Stitch Fix box. I think Deanna is a good stylist. She is such a good stylist for me. She gets me pretty much every single time. I mean, the style is there. The what I like to wear, what I opt for is there. This was a really good box. Some things might be a little bit too small, so I may have to go up, but then I'm going to have to change it in the future again. I don't know. I guess it depends on the manufacturer. But I think this top is really, really cute. This top is also, though, the cheapest thing in here, which is $38. All the other ones are pretty expensive for what they are. But again, I'm not going to keep repeating myself, but I am going to say it again. As you know, Stitch Fix includes their stylist fees and their shipping fees in the price of the clothes. So that's what you're paying. When you're paying, everything here is $188.50, still a little bit expensive. 50, 40 something a piece. 40, this is actually much less than $40 a piece, but I think the average Stitch Fix is around 40, depending on what level you're shooting for. So that is my Stitch Fix box. I think everything was terrific, great. I'm gonna have to try on the tops again, make sure they're comfortable, make sure the ones I want. I definitely do not want that striped top. Even bigger, I just didn't like the fabric that it was made out of for some reason. I don't think it went with the style of the top. And I'm pretty sure I already have some navy shorts, and these shorts are $58, so. All right, guys, I will see you for the other box. It's actually over here. No, it's over here. Bye. Let me know what you think.